Introduction to computer networks. A set of computers connected together for the purpose of sharing resources is called computer network. At present, internet is the most common resource shared everywhere. Some of the shared resources are file server, web camera, speakers, printer, scanner, fax machine, etc. Accessing services such as www, World Wide Web, digital audio, digital video, which are shared to use applications, software, and storage servers. All are well known. The term internet, networks of network is called internet. Computer networking. Computer networking is a technique of digital telecommunications network, one that permits nodes to share its resources. This computer networking exchanges the data with each other through wired or wireless connections between different terminals called nodes. The data from these wires is transmitted over any cable media such as fiber optic cable wire or a wireless media such as Wi-Fi. Computer which is connected to network called as nodes. The data originates and terminates at these particular nodes is called as a source and destination. In networking, nodes are identified by its IP addresses, i.e. network address, and can include hosts such as mobile phones, tabs, personal computers, huge servers, and other networking devices. Connecting more than one device is called as network. In many cases, applications at particular communications were layered, others were simply in general communications protocols. The well-known networking for all is Internet. Internet Hall of Fame. Internet Hall of Fame pioneer Windsurf is one among them. As an Internet founding father, Ceph co-designed the underlying TCP/IP protocols and the architecture that form the foundation of the modern-day Internet. Lawrence Roberts, 1961 to 1969. Lawrence G. Roberts, born in 1937 in Connecticut, USA, is an American scientist considered one of the fathers of the Internet. Growth of computer networking. Growth of computer networking. Growth on popularity of cloud storage and cloud computing. On behalf of buying physical copies of games, music, and movies, increasingly downloading or streaming and buy digital licenses their need via internet. Generation of mobile networks. They can be classified into 5 generations: 1G, 2G, 3G, 4G, and 5G. In the first generation, the speed is 2.4 kb per second. In the second generation, it is 64 kb per second. In the third generation, it is 2 MB per second. In the fourth generation, 100 MB per second. In the fifth generation, it may be more than 1 GB per second. Developments on mobile network infrastructure, both deployments of 4G and 3G networks that have allowed the people in their developed areas who can allow it to their smart mobile phones as video broadcasting system and as mobile television. Some of the people underlying and staying connected all the times whenever they are at the workplace via a home network, via public Wi-Fi hotspots or smartphones. Difficulties faced by the service providers, including Google, in expanding their residential fiber optic cables, internet service due to increased competition and installation cost from other broadband providers. This 5G intends to boost up the speed the mobile connections dramatically. Exactly how much customers was in need of this 5G connection and to go. When 4G was initially being developed, companies are not waited and they do not feel shy to advertisement about the 5G efforts. It might be tested on laboratory on by prototype versions of some elements, then it may be standard 5G. Consumers were also interested on the promise of signal coverage with 5G. Artificial intelligence will help to maintain, manage, and protect it. Now the networks were monitored by algorithm that enables for anomalous buildups of traffic and activity which may be the result of nasty activities such as DDoS. that is distributed denial of service attacks and attempted hacks. This artificial network powering algorithms will become most intelligent. It might find faster and reliable methods of anticipating threats and cleaning networks. Artificial intelligence is able to be better predict traffic as it collects and analyzes data in real time. Some of the network managers were better prepared for big events such as World Cup, Olympics, Valentine's Day, which often put on the internet under pressure. Networking in business. For a company, there may be different branches where the computers were connected in the office for distributed cache, and these branch offices are connected to headquarters for sharing the resources. Wired and wireless network. The the devices in your office can be connected with wire or wireless like Wi-Fi and other devices. Mobile network. The internet service provider may provide services to connect with the small office through cables for using dial-up connections or the satellite, or to the individual system through cellular or cables for home, like that.